be having a great day. If you're watching this video thinking that I'm looking exactly the same as my previous video, it's just because I just feel this super easy eyeshadow look literally took me 5 minutes. This is my everyday go-to when I don't have time to do my makeup and makeup look. So the link should be in here already. About this video and why I decided to go with this video, I noticed loads of companies start releasing the makeup products and beauty products, you know, skincare products infused with the hemp seed oil. So hemp seed oil is made from, you know, the same plant as cannabis, but it doesn't have any drug effect or anything. It doesn't make you drowsy or anything. It's just the health benefits. I use the hemp seed oil on my salads and all. I buy in a normal, you know, grocery shop. It's not a drug. I noticed loads of people misunderstanding this and they think that it must be a drug, you know, drowsy and all. It wouldn't be on the market if that would be a case. For sure. So the hemp seed itself is super beneficial for you. It's hydrating, it's healing, there's so many benefits. I'm not gonna go into details and all, but lots of companies are releasing that and I thought I'm gonna compare a few items from different brands to see better. I am obsessed with lippies, lipsticks and all, and I've been using this NYX hashtag this is everything lip oil on a daily basis. So I've been using this a lot. I repurchased, I don't even know how many now. I did originally a review video for this. Works as a magic. I can't fail this in any way. I've been loving it. So I thought, why not to try the same brand, NYX Bear With Me Hemp Seed Infused Lip Conditioner. It's still brand new, by the way. It's sealed. I haven't tested out. And then I seen in the same shop this Makeup Revolution Good Vibes Lip Balm, which is, they say cannabis on this. They don't say hemp seed. Although it's the same plant, it's just, yeah, different name. Once again, it's not drowsy, it's not a drug or anything like that. And this had color choices, so I took in this burgundy color called Mood. Looks like a lip oil, like exactly like this is everything lip oil to me. Does it have any smell? Actually, it smells exactly the same like this is everything lip oil. I don't even know how to explain the smell. It's pleasant smell. It's not like plasticky or anything, you know, like you can get with some beauty products. Kind of smells so artificial and plasticky. It doesn't. It smells nice. And then there's Good Vibes Lip Balm by Revolution. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. This looks like a proper lippy. I honestly wasn't expecting that. This one is like a colored chapstick, I guess? I don't know. Okay, it doesn't go with like a color or anything, it just goes super smooth. Packaging wise, I'm not gonna talk much. I do like both. It's simple. I've mentioned this in my previous videos already. I don't really care much about packaging as long as the product works. I mean, yeah, packaging, you know, feeds your eyes and all, but as long as the product itself is good, then who cares about the packaging, right? Let's check this NYX Bear With Me Hemp Lip Conditioner on the lips. It smells very nice, by the way. My lips are super dry at the moment, by the way. Oh, it feels nice. My lips feel so moisturized. This reminds me so much of This Is Everything lip oil. The texture, the smell, the way it sits on the lips, the way it glides on the lips. With this Is Everything lip oil by NYX, it doesn't sit on the lips long. It goes in like your lips absorbs it. So I'm gonna sit like this like 10 minutes and see how it's gonna absorb it. Or, look at it. Yeah, I can't feel it. My lips definitely feels moisturized now. Alright, so I've been sitting here for like 15 minutes now and the oil absorbed in. You know what I mean? It's not like super shiny anymore like it was before. So I was correct. It works as This Is Everything lip oil. Just this one has more like benefits for your lips as it's infused with hemp seed oil. Okay, so I think without any further ado, I'm just gonna maybe clean my lips because now it feels moisturized. So I'm gonna clean my lips and come back to you and we can try this Revolution Good Vibes Lip Balm. Alright, so I blotted out any excess conditioner that I had after this NYX Bear With Me Hemp Seed Oil Infused conditioner. Still, my lips feels nice, you guys. And my lips are very dry, like, it's not even a joke. Yeah, wow, it feels nice. I like it. So I blotted it out, I've cleaned it with a wet wipe, so there's no product left, but my lips doesn't feel as dry as it was before. Let's try this Makeup Revolution Good Vibes Lip Balm. Oh, it smells nice as well. Oh my god, I just realized that it has a smell. I don't know what's the smell. It's nice, it's not plasticky or like fake or something. It's nice, yeah. Oh, okay. Well, it's different smell from the next one. I feel like this does have a little bit color, like a little bit of this burgundy kind of shade. What do you think? It's a very natural color. It's not, you know, like a lippy or anything. It feels super moisturizing. But it's very different to this one, because this one was like oil, and oil, you know, goes in very easy and moisturize deep in. But this is a balm, so it's more like a chapstick with a bit of a tint in it. So I'm gonna wait once again, like, I don't know, 15 minutes to see if it's gonna absorb into the lips or it's gonna stay like this. It feels amazing on the lips. But definitely got like, yeah, it looks tinted in my lips. Yeah, I like it. What you think? Alright, you guys, so I waited around 15 minutes and the balm definitely went into the lips. I mean, it's not shiny in my lips. Super soft, well, super soft, you guys. I can't even, yeah. But it definitely went into the lips, the same as this lip conditioner by NYX, but this time I have more of this color because this lip balm has a color. So my lips looks slightly bit tinted, you know. The lips feels, oh my god, you guys, oh my god. So my verdict, I think the Revolution one was cheaper than the NYX. So just for that reason, I would go with the Revolution one. But NYX one is nevertheless worse or anything. It's just the price is higher from NYX than from Revolution. Both products work amazingly, as you've seen. It definitely moisturized my lips. It's not chapped anymore. Prior to this video, by the way, my lips were so chapped that I had like a little, you know, when your lips getting so chapped, you get like little bleeding. Do you ever get that? Like, I'm trying to look into the mirror, I can't even see where was this part because my lips just feel so moisturized. Yeah, I can't even see this anymore. So my lips got so super moisturized, and the hemp seed oil, as I said, has amazing benefits for your, you know, beauty and skincare, and it's just good for you in general. So these two products, amazing. I can't fail. For the price wise, I would stick with the Revolution one. I kind of like more lip oil. It's just because I like this NYX This Is Everything oil, lip oil, and I've been obsessed with that. But balm works just as good. So what do you guys think? Have you tried any of these products? Have you tried any of the hemp seed or cannabis infused makeup or beauty products? And if it works for you, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I would like to try these as well. And what you think of this video? Do you find this helpful? If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and let me know what you would like to see in my next video, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Have a good day. Ciao for now.